Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to see your post insights on Instagram. So let's go ahead and open our Instagram app. And if you're not already on your profile, go ahead and hit the bottom right profile picture. Now the first thing we want to do is go to the top right 3 horizontal lines, and we're going to go to settings. Now what you want to do is we want to choose the third to the bottom of account, and then we want to go to the very bottom and actually switch to a professional account. Now this will give us the option to see our insights, and you're going to go ahead and continue through these little pages, and then you can choose a category that describes your page and then hit done there. And then after this loads, we're going to go ahead and choose the creator because it is not a business account, and choose next. And then you can choose to complete your profile, but if I go ahead and just do the top right X, then that'll be fine. Now, as you can see under edit profile, I have add tools, insights, and add shop here. And if I go ahead and hit insights, it's going to do a overall insights of your account. But if you go to a certain post here, you can actually also see the insights of this exact post right here, and it'll show you those as well. And then you can actually boost the post, which I believe it will run ads on this post to get you a little bit more traffic. But if this video helped you guys out, don't forget to subscribe down below, like the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.